Ever needed to reach a client or a recruiter but you didn't have the email? Frustrating, right? Well, I built an AI email verifier that finds and checks anyone's email instantly right inside Telegram. Just type a name and company and boom, the bot finds the correct email or tells you if none exists. This workflow is perfect for sales and marketing professionals who need contact emails fast, recruiters or business owners trying to reach someone with only a name and company, or anyone who wants to verify emails directly inside Telegram without switching tools. So in this video, I'll show you how to build this AI agent step by step using N8N. I'm Brian from Website Learners, and let's get started. To create an email verifier AI agent, we're going to do 5 steps. The first step is to download the workflow. To download the workflow, just click the link in the description. Now here you can see that we have a ready-made workflow template that you can use to set up instantly without building from scratch. In order to use this template, first we need to have an N8N hosting. Now there are 3 different ways you can use N8N. The first option is to host N8N locally on your own computer. The first option is free, but it is more complex to set up. The second option is using WebSpace Kit for hosting N8N. This is the most quickest and the low-cost way to host N8N. This costs just $5 per month or 400 rupees per month. It's easy to use with zero setup required. You also get unlimited workflow executions and unlimited active workflows. The third option is the N8N Cloud, which is the official platform by N8N. This costs £24 per month, which is approximately $27. It's much more expensive and the features are limited too. In this video, we're going to purchase N8N from WebSpace Kit, where we get unlimited workflow executions and unlimited active workflows. Since N8N is open source, you get much more benefits when you host it on your own on a platform like WebSpace Kit. Also, WSK provides 100+ workflow templates for free along with the hosting. So to unlock the workflow template and get the N8N hosting, just click this workflow. Here choose how long you want the hosting for. I'm going to choose 12 months. If you choose 24 months, this gives you the best price, which is $5 per month. Then fill in these details, enter your payment details and click checkout. So now we have successfully made the payment and we've got our N8N hosting. Now click here and you can see that our plan is active. So let's go to step 2, which is to set up N8N. So to set it up, click manage, just scroll down and click go to setup. Here fill in these details, click next and it will take you to this page. This is the place where we are going to create the workflow. We've got our own instance of N8N on our own URL like you see here. This is completely private for you and only you can use it. Once you reach this page, this means you can now start adding and running your workflows. First, let's download the template. Just go to this tab. Now if we refresh the page, you can see we are now able to download this template. So just click download and the template file will be downloaded to your computer. Once you have the template, we can go to the next step, which is to import the workflow template. To import the template, go back to N8N. Let's click start from scratch. Now we'll move on to importing the workflow file. Click here and select import from file. Now choose the email verifier workflow file, which we just downloaded, and open it to load the workflow into N8N. With our workflow imported, let's rename it. Let's rename this workflow to something more descriptive. I'll type email verifier as our workflow name and save the change. Alright, we have successfully imported our workflow. Now we need to set up the nodes and connect the required API services to our workflow. Let's go to the next step, is to connect Telegram to N8N. We're using Telegram so that we can chat with the AI assistant from our phone. So to connect Telegram to N8N, open this node. Now we need to create a new credential for our Telegram bot. Click here and select create new credentials. Next, we need to create a bot in Telegram. Here, we need to add the Telegram API key. Let's open a new browser tab and search for web.telegram.org. Press enter to go to Telegram web. Now click on the search bar and search for botfather. Then select the botfather chat from the results. Click start and select the new bot command. I'll give our bot a name, email verifier bot. Send that message. Then we need to provide a unique username for the bot. Let's enter that. Send that to complete the bot creation. Perfect. Now that our bot is created, we need to copy its API token to paste it in N8N. Let's copy this API token. Now we'll head back to N8N to paste this token and create our credential. Go back to our N8N tab and paste that API token into the access token field. Perfect. Let's save this credential. Great. Our Telegram bot is now connected. Next, we need to start the bot in Telegram. Let's switch back to Telegram. Click on the link to open our newly created bot and click the start button. Great, our bot is now active. Let's switch back to our innate workflow. Go back to the canvas. Here you can see we have other Telegram nodes to connect. Just open it and it'll be connected automatically. And back to the canvas again. We have now successfully connected Telegram to N8N. Now the final step is to connect Anymail Finder to our N8N workflow. We're using Anymail Finder to check if an email address is valid. It lets you find emails by company, individual or job title and checks whether each one actually exists and can receive mail. So to connect Anymail Finder to N8N, open this HTTP node. Here, we need to add the API key of Anymail Finder. To get the API key out, now let's head over to our YouTube tab and click the link in the description. Here, click Start Trial and sign up with your Google account. And I'll select my Google account. Once you're signed up, we'll need to get our API key to connect this service to our workflow. Let's go to the API section and you'll find the API key here. Let's copy the API key. Let's switch back to our N8N workflow and paste the API key into the value field. Perfect. Let's go back to the canvas. Now we have successfully connected Anymail Finder to N8N and we're ready to save and activate the workflow. Okay, let's save our workflow and then activate it by clicking here. Perfect. I'll dismiss this confirmation. Now our workflow is ready. Let's test our email verifier agent and see how it works. Let's switch back to Telegram to test our workflow. I'll type a test message with the person's name and company domain, samaltman@openai.com. Now let's send this message to see our email verifier AI agent in action. And there you have it. Within seconds, the bot checks all possible email patterns and returns the correct email. Let's try another one. I'll type a different name and website and send it to the chat. As you can see here, the bot replies that no valid email was found. And just like that, our AI agent can quickly find and verify email addresses directly inside Telegram without switching between tools. So that's it, guys. This is how you can create your own email verifier AI agent. And you can start building this workflow for yourself. The first step is launching N8N on WebSpaceKit. So to do that, just click here and it will take you to the same page that we saw in the first step. So go ahead and start creating your workflows. Also, you can get our latest videos directly on WhatsApp. You can just scan the QR or tap the link and hit follow. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.